In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site on Systeme.io. Whether you're an entrepreneur eager to share exclusive content or an educator designing the perfect online course, having a membership site is an excellent way to genuinely engage with your audience. Plus, the process is not only simple, but can be achieved in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to your Systeme.io dashboard. This will be your main hub for building and managing your membership site, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with it. Begin by entering your login email and password carefully. Once you've done that, click Sign In to access your account. It's always a good idea to ensure your credentials are correct before proceeding to save time. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Assets and give it a click. Within this section, you'll find Courses, the cornerstone of your membership site. This is where you'll set up all the primary content, laying the foundation for everything your members will access. Now comes an exciting step. Click on Add New Course. By doing this, you're essentially building the foundation of your membership site. You'll need to come up with a name for your course, so choose something that's both concise and reflective of the content you're going to offer. This will help set expectations and attract the right audience. There's also the option to edit your course URL. Crafting a custom link that's both simple and memorable can be a valuable asset. Your members will appreciate an easy-to-recall URL, enhancing their experience. With that out of the way, it's time to choose a theme for your course. Click Select Theme and browse through the available designs. Select the one that best aligns with the style and tone of your content. Whether it's professional and sleek or fun and vibrant, the theme should represent your brand authentically. Once you're happy with your choice, click Save to ensure all your hard work is securely stored. Once saved, locate your course name and click on it to start personalizing your membership site. Head to the Settings area where you can add a course title and a brief description. This will help potential and existing members understand what your course or community aims to offer. It's now time to dive deeper into your content by creating modules. These modules allow you to organize your lessons efficiently. You can add several lectures within each module containing your exclusive content. Take some time to think about the best way to structure this material to provide an exceptional experience for your members. After you've set everything up, you'll want to share your membership site with the world. Consider using social media, email campaigns, or simply word of mouth to amplify your reach and grow your community. And there you have it. You've successfully created a membership site on Systeme.io. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you to start building and sharing your valuable content online. Thanks for watching.